In today's video, I will give you a quick beginner guide for Dark War so you can start strong and avoid early mistakes. The first guide is to focus on main missions. First thing you should do is push the main story missions. They unlock new features, buildings, and upgrades faster than anything else. The second guide is to always prioritize your core base buildings like resource production, command center, and research facilities, as these speed up everything. The third method is to train balanced units. Don't just spam one type of unit. Build a balanced army with damage dealers and defensive units so you're ready for any fight. The fourth step, and an important step, is to join an active alliance. Join a strong alliance early. You will get help, rewards, and protection during attacks, which is a huge advantage, as being in an alliance makes sure that you are not alone during any type of battle and you receive appropriate rewards. The last and important step is to complete daily tasks. Never skip daily missions and events, as they give free resources, speed ups, and rare items that boost progress. Manage your resources smartly, spend or upgrade regularly so you don't become a target for raids. Follow for more Dark War tips and guides.